Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning. It's the Monday before Christmas. Do you have your holiday recipes and shopping done? I do. First, I'd like to thank all of you for the kind comments, your thoughts and prayers for Robin and I. And I'm mostly encouraged by the encouragement that some of you have given to me to push forward with this new adventure for cooking for one. I also look forward to the challenge. Last night's recipe and today's recipe kind of reflect that. Last night, I prepared creamy corn chowder. Like I mentioned yesterday, this is a 3-cup liquid recipe. But there is 3 cups of corn. So, yeah, you can do the math. But the leftovers were not horrendous or, oodles of, but I have enough leftovers for today's lunch. This soup is really good. And kind of in the middle of it, I'm kind of like, I don't know if this is going to come, this is going to work out. But it really does. It thickened up really nice. I probably could play with this one a little bit, with some addition to adding just a little bit of some red bell pepper or red chili pepper. But as a base corn soup or a corn chowder, it's really good. Check it out. I will definitely get this one up online today. For tonight, I'm doing a Creamy Cajun Steak Alfredo. Now, this can't be any more simpler. It's easy to scale back to 1 or 2. So let's take a look. Dutch oven, saute pan. I'm using elk round steak. I'll be splitting this in half. This is a 1 pound, 5 ounces worth of protein. I'm going to be cutting this and basically dividing this up. I'll be using the other half later this week. Some olive oil, some garlic, of course, some kosher salt, black pepper. There's a double dose of my Cajun blend in this. Hence, it's a Cajun dish, but there's a double dose. There's some using for the protein and some being used in the Alfredo. The Alfredo is basically simple. Heavy cream, butter, and Parmesan. Raley's has changed the packaging on some of their cheeses. And I'll be serving this over linguine. This is a super basic dish. I look forward to this one. Part of it's because it's Cajun. I haven't done Cajun in a while, so I'm really looking forward to it. My Cajun blend is perfect. It is available if you'd like some. Just get a hold of me. So on this Monday, the Monday before Christmas, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.